After you've cut your artwork, you're gonna need to mat it. Matting's fairly simple, but it's gonna involve you setting up first. Your mat should go on the counter. Also on the counter should be a roll of tape, Sharpie, and then we have Velcro up here in the window. Outside, you're gonna wanna take the spray. The spray has the purple lid. If it isn't up here in the windowsill, then it's gonna be over in the yellow cabinet. You're always gonna look for a purple lid. Okay. Spray goes outside, as well as a poster board. We like to use the poster board because it's thicker. If the ground is wet, the water's not gonna come through and get your artwork wet, and we can put it back into the storage room. If by chance it is raining, we're gonna have to set up something a little different. I'm gonna show you what that looks like. If it's raining, you're gonna want to put a piece of cardboard hanging over the edge of the picnic table with the poster board underneath. We'll have to be quick about having everything set up and then just walking out here, spraying, and then coming back in without the artwork getting wet. If by chance it's raining really hard, we can bring a cardboard box outside and put the artwork in a box before spraying. Once you have it set up, you're gonna take the artwork and the spray outside. Outside, we're gonna lay it face down. We're gonna shake up the can, and we're gonna spray about 8 to 12 inches away from the artwork, covering the whole back of the artwork. We're gonna carefully carry it inside and center it right over the mat and then press down. It gets tacky in that process. When we're out there, we're gonna wanna make sure that we don't inhale this, that it's not sprayed on anything, including the picnic tables, the walls, your shoes, because it doesn't wanna come off, ever. Okay? So, artwork, face down, outside, on the poster board, spraying all over the back, carefully carrying it in. Again, you're gonna eyeball it where it looks good. Once it's in place, it's in place. So you're going to center it down, nice and flat, and it is stuck. Good to go. Once we have this in place, we're going to need to label the back. On the back, you're going to put one piece of masking tape across, maybe two if your print is really small. On the back, you're going to write your name. That's your full name. What type of print or project it was, whatever media you used, if it was a drawing, an ink drawing, an acrylic painting, or what type of print. This was a reduction block print. And we're also going to need to put what we titled it. So on prints, we already have a title. On drawings and paintings, we don't. You need to come up with a title for your artwork. This one was titled Summer. And the last part would be your period number for what period that you did this in, so I can get it back to you. Those things are what we need. And then we also need in the corners some Velcro. So there is this roll of Velcro up in the window. You're going to take 4 pieces off, and when you take them off, we need to leave one side not sticky, so that we don't want it sticking to everything. Instead, we want one side adhering to the mat, while the other side doesn't do anything. We don't want these all the way in the corner, we just want them near the corner, that way they don't accidentally stick out and be visible. So your final print or artwork should look like this. 4 corners of Velcro, your information on the back, artwork nice and centered, all done. Once you're done matting your artwork, you need to clean up. Make sure the Velcro gets put back, the spray bottles get back, the poster board outside gets picked up so it doesn't get rained on and all gooey all over the floor. Artwork gets turned into the box. What else? Sharpies. These Sharpies shouldn't be left out either. They go on Miss Hickey's desk, so make sure they get back.